Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am in Russia, Saint Petersburg, and here is me and my captain, second officer, third officer, and the cook. We are going for shore leave in the city of Saint Petersburg. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be going through with you to the city. I take some pictures, some videos, and to show you how the city is. It's a very beautiful place, beautiful buildings, beautiful people, a clean city. You will see for your eyes. Right now we are in the Uber taxi. It's called Yandex taxi. It's very cheap. That's what we use. And at the end of the video I'll be telling you my next destination, so guys stay till the end of the video so that you can know where I am going next. Thank you. So there are a lot of churches here, and they're very architectural, like very beautiful, colorful buildings. I have seen like let me not lie, but I've seen more than 50 like churches, and all of them, they look so good. You will want to take pictures with anyone. Like I've been taking pictures. I have taken like hundreds of pictures, and I don't even know which one to post. It's hard to select. My friend told me this guy is going to take money from me after snapping me pictures with his bird, so I had to run. I ran away. You see, he's saying he's gonna fuck me. I didn't know about that. So here is the Times Square. This place is very big, very beautiful. So many people here. It's very beautiful. The most beautiful city I have been to in my life, Russia, Saint Petersburg. So right now I am taking picture, you can see, and then my friend is asking for direction for where we can change our dollar to ruble, and this man is giving direction, and then there is the ATM there for buying tickets right there. And then now we are in a hurry to go and find, because we don't have much time. So you can see the way they are walking fast. You can see that's my second officer, and you can see so many so many beautiful buildings, a lot of people. So, and right now we have changed our money. We are about to go inside to the museum. Just wait and look. Here we are. We arrived. We are inside, taking some cool videos and pictures. This place is just so amazing. It's very huge, a historical place. But what surprises me is that most of this place have like some like pyramid, like some Egyptian stuff like that. I don't know history, but I'm just going through with you what I saw. It's a very beautiful place, a place that you will not want to miss if you are in Russia. You can see some like this, like a building, but there are some stuffs there you have to read to know what it is, and it's in Russia, and then there's some explanation also in English. You can see this on a tire. And this place is so massive. And then I forget to tell you how much we paid for the ticket. For the ticket, you have to pay for the ticket online. You can pay online, or if you have cash, you can go to the ATM I showed you before and pay for cash. So it's very beautiful, like very informative. It's the whole something. It says something there. I have to zoom it so you can see what is written there, and the art. It's a message, I think. sure you don't just have to miss this place. Like, you can see how this place is decorated. Like, oh my god, this place is just so amazing, so beautiful. A lot of people here coming to see this museum. You can see that's my third officer behind. He doesn't like picture. He don't like picture at all. Like, he didn't even snap any picture. I was the one trying to snap, but me and my second, we are like together, always snapping pictures. This is the smoky room. This is a smoky room. I remember. This is a smoky room. Look at my third. You can see my second snapping picture over there. You can see a so beautiful place. So many things, and then you don't have to touch. Not touching, because once you touch at anything, it will start making alarm. Ping, 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 like that. So. Amazing, huh? Of course, who doesn't like mirror picture? I have to take one. You can see the way this place is so beautiful. So beautiful. I don't know, but you can see it from the view from the top inside the museum. Second. Amazing. Just look at the roof. Look at the top. Look at the roof. So amazing. So. So at the end, we didn't finish going around the whole museum because it's so big, and he's saying we should go back. So we are about to go outside now, and we are out now. My second and me, my third already went back to the ship because he has watch, so he must get back to the ship on time for his watch. And here is me and my second. There is my second officer, and a deck cadet, of course. And then this is a big church. And my friends, the video is coming to an end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell so that you will know when I post a new video. My next destination is going to be Latvia, Riga. I'll be going to Latvia in a few days. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please.